Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Swapna. In this lecture, I am going to start our new chapter, gravitation. What is gravitation? Gravitation is nothing but an attractive force. What is gravitation? Gravitation is an attractive force. Okay, in our daily life, we are encountered with this gravitational force, right? If you throw a ball in the vertical direction, it goes up to a certain height, and because of the gravitational force, it again reverses the direction of the motion and reaches the ground. Okay, and Ptolemy is a scientist who proposed a theory known as geocentric model. What is geocentric model? Geocentric model is nothing but the earth will be at the center, earth remains at the center, and all the remaining planets and the sun, including stars and other celestial objects, will revolve around this earth in a circular path, which is nothing but geocentric model. And Aryabhatta, a scientist who proposed heliocentric model. In this heliocentric model, he said that sun will be located at the center of the circle, and remaining stars and the planets and the celestial objects will revolve around the sun. Okay. Another scientist named Copernicus, he said that all the planets will revolve around a fixed center, which is nothing but a sun. Okay. A sun will be located at the fixed center, and all the remaining planets will revolve around this fixed center in circles. Okay, Copernicus proposed the theory, which is nothing but all the planets will revolve around this center. Okay, and this center, at this center, sun will be located, and remaining planets will revolve around this sun. Okay, Copernicus theory was not accepted by the other group of scientists, but only Galileo is the follower of Copernicus. Galileo only accepted the theories which was proposed by Copernicus, that is, the sun will be located at fixed center and the remaining planets will revolve around this sun. And coming to Tycho Brahe, he is a scientist. He observed the path of the planets with his naked eyes. With his naked eyes. Nothing but he observed the path of the planets at the night times with his eyes. తన కళ్ళతో చూసేవాడు అండ్ పాత్ని రికార్డ్ చేసేవాడు. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ the sun path, he try to record the path of the sun. Okay, and if the path will be in this way, he just mark the points. Okay, and draw a path and in the same way he observed all the paths of the planets and just recorded the data. And this data, which was given by Brahe, was analyzed by the Kepler, a scientist named Kepler. The data given by Brahe was analyzed by Kepler, and he proposed three laws. Kepler proposed three laws based on the observations of Brahe, and he proposed three laws. So depending upon these laws, Newton proposed a universal law of gravitation. Okay, a scientist named Newton, depending on these three laws, he proposed universal law of gravitation. Okay, in my next lecture, I will explain you about Kepler laws. Three laws which was named after the scientist Kepler laws. I will explain you about Kepler laws and also universal law of gravitation. Okay, this is our introduction class for gravitation chapter. Okay, Nana? Bye.